Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power, unplug the machine and flip the breaker, then confirm no juice with a multimeter. Once safe, remove the control console screws. Make sure to photograph wire locations before disconnecting them. You'll need a compatible replacement start switch and basic hand tools ready on a towel. Doing this upfront saves time and prevents mistakes, so gather parts and double-check the model number on the control board label before proceeding to the next step. You'll now remove the control panel carefully, releasing clips and unscrewing hidden fasteners to expose the start switch. Once visible, probe the switch terminals with a multimeter set to continuity. Press the button while observing readings. If you see continuity only when pressed, the switch is likely fine. If readings are erratic or stuck open, it's failing. Replace the switch by disconnecting wires from labeled spades and installing the new unit. Make sure connectors are tight and insulation isn't pinched. Once the new switch is seated, reconnect each wire exactly as photographed and secure the control panel back in place. You should then restore power and run a brief diagnostic or a 1-minute spin to verify the start function. Watch for immediate response and listen for relay clicks. If the washer still won't start, make sure the door latch sensor is engaging and test the control board for voltage. A dead board or bad latch is the common next culprit and worth checking before buying more parts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.